If you think your college application is good enough to turn in, think again. Every year, tens of thousands of highly qualified students get deferred or denied from top colleges. And I'm here to tell you, you shouldn't be shocked. Why? Because most applications are terrible, or worse, boring. For colleges that admit under 20%, the stakes couldn't be higher. So buckle up. I'm about to drop gold to help your application land in the admit pile instead of the deny stack. Hello everyone, if you are new here, you are a rock star. I'm Dr. Cynthia Colón, author of Be Committed, Get Admitted, TEDx speaker, and former college admission officer. I help students get admitted to Ivy League and top 100 colleges. So if that's you, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the exact reasons students get deferred, what to do instead, and most importantly, how to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Mistake number one, overestimating your competitiveness and underestimating the time this process takes. Every year, tens of thousands of students overestimate their chances and underestimate the competition. So when that defer deny letter arrives, it's a huge shock to both the student and the parents. Let's be real. Colleges admitting 10 to 15 or 20% are brutally competitive. Students who get in have been preparing for years, not just since junior year. Think of this like training for the Olympics. You might be the big dog at your high school, top valedictorian, maybe the top 3 to 5% of your class. That's great, and you'll get into many colleges. But if you've only ever compared yourself to your school peers, you're not seeing the full picture. When students fail to realize what Ivy-bound applicants are doing every single day to improve, it's a fatal mistake. Underestimating the time it takes. Let's talk about time. But first, can you handle the truth? Because this might sting a little. How many drafts does it take? You might think it's just an application, but let me hit you with the numbers. Our alumni campers and VIP clients report spending 100+ hours on applications in the fall of senior year. With our help, students also report needing to produce anywhere from 18 to 48 or more essays. 48, I said. And if you want real results getting admitted to a bumper sticker school, you'll need to draft your core 4 essays 4 to 8 times before senior year. Each application should be approached as if you were applying to your dream job like Disney, Nike, Apple, or Google. Standing out is not easy, my friend. Don't underestimate this process. It will literally kill your chances. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this process, I get it. That's exactly why I created our college application and college essay boot camps, where we guide students and parents step by step through the entire journey. Click the link in the description to schedule a complimentary strategy session. Mistake number 2, a major mismatch. Pun intended. At the end of the day, your application needs to make sense to the reader. It should be a clean, cohesive story, like a well-orchestrated symphony. Every year, families come to us after their students have been deferred, denied, or waitlisted. The first thing I ask for is the application that they turned in. 95% of the time, I immediately see the problem. The application does not scream engineering or computer science, biology, or business, or whatever the student claims they want to study. Why is this a problem? And if you're applying to one of the most competitive majors like computer science, engineering, biology, or business, your application better be laser focused. And if it doesn't scream your major, you're gonna just blend in with the crowd and you're gonna miss your shot. This should be an easy fix. But the truth is, students make the mistake of getting caught up in listing a leadership and community service, which is great. But if you're applying for computer science, lean into the experiences that actually showcase your analytical thinking, coding projects, and technical skills. A good application shows that you have real experience and passion for your chosen major. A bad application looks generic and doesn't give any evidence that you're prepared for that major. What is the easy fix? Start curating your application now so that it aligns with your intended field of study. Up next, in part 2, I'll be covering mistake number 3, boring essays, the thing that makes admission officers yawn. Mistake number 4, weak activity section. why your resume isn't doing you any favors. And mistake number 5, not doing your homework. How to nail the why us essay every time. Watch part 2 right here. Be sure to hit subscribe and notifications so you don't miss it. You want personalized help? Click the link in the description for a free strategy session to see if our programs are a good fit for you. Be sure to comment below, what mistake are you making and how can we help? And I'll end with this. On a scale of 1 to 10, how helpful was this video? 1, not helpful at all. 10, super helpful. Applying to a college that admits under 25, 15, or 5% is already hard. Be sure to comment below. And remember, be committed, get admitted. And wherever you are, go out and make it a happy and sunny day. Bye for now.